Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Samira. So today's tutorial video is a special one. A lot of you have asked me to make a tutorial on how to cut and sew this simple crop top that has a pleated sleeve. So that is all this video is all about. So if you're interested to see how I made this beautiful top to the end, please keep on watching and please subscribe to my channel and keep on watching, and let's get started. So you can share my video with your friends, click the subscribe button, and also ask your friends to also subscribe to my channel. And we have other videos that we have made like this, you can also watch it. So let's get started.
So this is our fabric that we are using to make our crop top, that we have a printed sleeve and it has a bustier on it. So I'm starting with the measurement from the length, taking away from my tape rule. From the shoulder side is 6, to get our length is 18, and that is what I'm pointing out for you to see. And the center of our bustier that I'm marking is 3.5, so that is the 3.5 that I'm marking at the middle side to get our bustier line. So that is the 3.5. After the 3.5, you now roll it. So after the rolling side, we'll start with the measurement from the shoulder again. You take away from your tape rule. Remember, it's 6 to get our length that I've take out from our tape rule. So that is what I've done there now. So we'll start with that nipple. From the shoulder to the nipple is 10. So that is 10 that I'm marking. From there to the underbust is 13.5. So 13.5 that I'm marking also under the bust side. So that is what I'm marking. So I'm pointing it out for you to see. Seeing the chalk is not showing you very well, please. So that is under bust that I'm marking 13.5. So after that, now we now roll it, and that is the rolling line that I'm rolling under the bust. So after that, we'll start with our bustier proper. So that is the measurement there now. So what I'm marking there now is 1. I'm pointing it out for you from the tape. Is 1 that I'm marking there now. So to get our cup to cup out, so that is the rolling side that I'm done there now. So after that again is what I'm still marking is that line that is 1 inch from the underside is 1 inch, so that the bustier will cup out. So that is how you cut your bustier when making your own. So I have this kind of video in my previous video. You can also go and watch it out so that you will see how to cut this cup that we are making, this bustier. So that is 1 inch that I'm also marking there now for it to cup well. So all I'm doing now is for the cup to cup out very well. So I'm rolling it out to connect to the nipple. So from the nipple now we take it up to that upside. So what I'm pointing is 1 inch again. Can you see what I'm doing there on that middle line? Is 1 inch. So you connect it from the nipple to the upper side. So that is the nipple to the upper side to cup it. So by the time I finish cutting it, you see it will be. So that is the cupping side now. So that is the connection there now. So I've done the connection for the cupping. So we'll now start with our measurement, that is the bust measurement now. So that is the bust measurement. So my bust measurement here is 38. So adding my 1 inch that I've point out there for you to see. So you connect it back so that it will correspond to the measurement, so that it will not waste on the measurement side. So you come down to the downside. You also remember to add your 2 inch that we added 1 inch at the cup side, that cup very well. So after that, you add your sewing allowance also on it. So after that, now you connect from the bust to the, that is the sewing allowance. So you connect to the bust to the waistline. So the cup is done. So what I'm doing, I'm cutting it out now for you to see how it is now. So after that, what next, we'll now use it to cut the back side of it now. So that is the cutting side now. So is the side now that I'm cutting now. What I just cut out now is the middle side of the bustier. So that is the bustier that I'm marking, I'm cutting out. And remember, it's up shoulder that we are making with it, and to have a sleeve that will be pleated. So that is the cutting now. So I want to notch it to the underbust. Remember to do that on your own. So that is the notching underbust, so that you will see it when sewing it, so that by the time you want to sew it, it will correspond. So that is the middle side, and that is the side of it now that I'm cutting. So after cutting, we now use it to lay at the back and cut the back also. So the front side of the cutting is done. Now is the back. So this is the back. I just lay it to the back. So what I'm doing now, I'm taking away from my bustier side, that cup, so that it not appear at the back. So that's why I put my scissors on it now for you to see. And the back, the zipper side is 1 inch on my zipper allowance that I added there. So it's just for us now to just cut, because we have used the back and front side to cut the back, and that is what I'm doing there now to cut. Please watch my video to the end, share it to your friends, let them watch it, and do it on your own, so that you can wear it out on your own. So this is how you can cut your bustier pleated sleeve. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch my video to the end, please. So that is the side of it now that I want to cut, that is the back side of our crop top pleated printed sleeve. So that is it now. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So watch my video to the end. So that is the side of it now that I'm also cutting out now. That is the side of it now. So the cutting is done. So I'm just trying to notch to get the side of it. That's what I've done there now, to notch it. So we have finished cutting. So what I've done now is the back side of it now. So I'm showing you how it is now. So that is the back. So now just for us now to cut the sleeve now. So the sleeve, it will have a long material that we are using. So what I'm doing now, I'm just showing you how it will be. So the width is 3.5 and the length is 25. So it's the two sleeves that I'm cutting now. So I want to open it out. So what I will just do now, I will just go and pleat it, but I will also show you how I will pleat it before we sew it. So that is the sewing side. I've joined everything and I've ironed it, the front, the back. So we'll just use it to cut the neck, is what I want to do now. The front and the back is ready now. So it's the neck that I want to cut. So I'm still showing you how the zipper allowance is. The zipper allowance is 1 inch. So that is the neck. The neck that I'm cutting now is 4. So I'm cutting it out with 4. So the armhole is 1.5 because it's up shoulder. That's why I'm doing it that way, you can see. So just for us not to connect. So the bust measurement is what I'm doing now. The cleavage for the neck is 2. Is 2 that I've bring out down from the cleavage. So it's a square neck, a round one. That way to connect. So what I'm doing there now is for us now to connect it out. So after that, I will now just measure the measurement. The measurement of the body now is what we are measuring. That is the bust. The bust is 38. The waist is 28. So you just connect it together and you mark. So that is the cutting side that I want to curve. I want to shape it. I don't want it to be too straight. So I've curved it. So that is the neck. I'm using it to cut the back first before we cut the front side of it. So I've cut the back. So now I'm cutting the shoulder side now. So let me cut the front side of it now so that you can see, because it's the back that I use and cut first. So the side is done. So cut it. So this is the neck of the front that I'm saying that we are cutting now. So can you see how it is now? So this is the front neck, and after that we just go and stitch it together. Before you know, our top crop will be ready. So this is the neck. I'm just showing you how it will be. So take it to the machine to go and sew it out and it will be ready. So let's come to the downside to curve it out, because that's why I marked that 1 inch on it. So now it's not a straight down, so it's curved now. So the front and the back is ready. So now is the pleating. Remember to do it on your own the way I'm doing it. So I'm pinning it using 1 inch to plait it out. So it's 1 inch that I'm using to plait it out, the way you can see. So after that, we'll take it to the machine and go and stitch, and we'll attach it to the body of the sleeve of the top, and it will be ready. So now I've ironed it out, the two sides of it, and you can see that it's almost ready to wear out. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch my video to the end and subscribe.
Yes, our bustier crop top with a pleated sleeve is ready. You can see how beautiful it is. You can even see the material that we used. So when making your own, please try to use a beautiful material so that the style will come out very beautiful. And guys, you can watch this video again and again so that you can learn how to cut it on your own and follow the procedure that we used when cutting it. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share my video with your friends, tell them to subscribe to my channel. Let's make this channel to grow. Please don't forget to always subscribe, guys. So I'll see you on my next video on Wednesday.